IQOO 12 5G smartphone. The available storage variants are 12GB RAM, 256GB storage, and 16GB RAM, 512GB storage. The available colors are Desert Red, Alpha, and Legend. It has LPDRR5X RAM and UFS 4.0 storage. Designed with 6.78 inches screen, 144 Hz refresh rate, LTPO AMOLED display, with 3000 nits peak brightness, and has SGS-certified for low blue light. Features 50 megapixels 1/1.3 inches Astrograph camera, 50 megapixels ultra wide-angle camera, and 64 megapixels 3x Periscope telephoto camera, with 100x digital zoom. It comes with 3.3 GHz Snapdragon 8 Gen 3 mobile platform, and FunTouch OS 14 based on Android 14. Built with Supercomputing chip Q1, symmetrical dual stereo speaker, 4D game vibration, and large X-axis linear motor, to enhance gaming experience. It offers fully charged battery with 120 watts fast charger, and IP64 rated dust, water resistance. The box includes cell phone, eject tool, warranty card, quick start guide, phone case, charger, and USB cable. This product comes with